Hello, 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 and hello, hello, hello. It's me, Christian here. Let's play Piano Tiles 2. One time lang, one time. Piano times, piano tiles. Hmm. No, no. Let's go into events. Hmm. Where's This is my favorite. This slider tile. I like the slider tile. O, ganahan ko aning slider tile. Nindot lagi kayo. Wonderful. Combo tile, no. Double tile, no. Hard na hard. Lisod na lisod. Accompaniment, no. Single tile, no. Okay, slider tile is my mouth. What? What happened?
This is a
What's
burger.
that?
And here's one from
Grabe.
Foodpanda with 100 pesos
Split
off.
na to. Kalag sa akong cellphone. Again man, again. See that I press it already. I press it. Last one. Huh? Grabe kalag. Gipislit nito na ako. Fine. World best. Yes. No! I beat my best, bro. Grabe. Hindi na akong best.
Have you ever
And
played
score.
such a game? After 144 days of committing efforts, at 3:24 today, I finally entered a new big village of this game. The scenes you
Grabe. Benchalang. Yes, sir. Ay, my best. Wa din ako nabit akong best. Akong best day kay. Best, my best is 7.964 tiles per second. Grabe. Pili ko. Maybe next time. Bro, this is part 1.